Hello, Banta music followers, welcome back. We're going to be doing a sound test to compare the difference between two brands of MG reeds. The first one is the brown MG reeds. These ones are the ones with the tongue that is basically like typical reeds. It's the square rectangular tongues. And then these ones, the white ones, have carbon fiber tongues. Now, if you look here, you'll notice that the bottom of the tongue has a bit of a bowl shape to it on both sides. These ones are a little bit more expensive than these ones, but somebody asked me to do a sound comparison of the reeds, and so that's what we're going to do. And then after I've compared these two, I'm going to put the Easy Drone reeds that I've been using solo-wise into my pipes, and we'll hear what the difference is. So I got the brown MG reeds into the pipes, so I'm just going to put them in there. And what's going to happen is I'll blow the pipes up, and I'm not going to give them too much time to really get going in terms of warming them up. But I'm just going to get them going and give them a wee bit of a tune if required, and then hold the tone for a little bit so you can see how steady and consistent the tone is. So let's get these things going. There's a teeny bit of waving with, I thought it was the middle tenor, but there's a possibility it was the outside tenor, but once I topped this one off and then I got this one more in tune, it actually sounded a little bit more stable. So I brought this one back in and it actually sounded better. So it might be a little bit of inconsistency with the air intake, and possibly the reeds are just a little bit too cold at the moment. But I'm going to put the white ones in and we're going to do the same thing. All right, white ones in, let's go. what I'm doing right there is I'm bringing off the pressure just a little bit. So not a lot of pressure, just a little bit, and you can hear these the middle tenor start to go. Eh. So it probably needs to be closed off a little bit on the bridle to decrease or eliminate that sound when backing off on the blow pressure. But that's not something I'm going to do at the moment. What we're going to do now is, with these ones, before we actually move on, is sound-wise, let me know what you think of the sounds between the two down below. To me, the white ones actually give off a bit of a deeper drone sound. They're more emphasized. They're not quite as mellow, and so they give a little bit more of a punch. But that's probably because of the carbon fiber tongues. So the carbon fiber tongues will likely be the reason why they're a little bit deeper, a little bit more profound, and there's nothing wrong with that. Some people like a bit of a deeper drone sound. I like a nice drone sound, but I don't want it too much. So otherwise it takes away from the chanter sound. But it also depends on how well the drones actually go together with the chanter. And with both of these ones, in my nail chanter, they actually didn't want to cooperate very well. I found that the middle tenor actually did not want to stay in tune very well with the chanter, and it could have been the chanter. It also could be the reed I had in there. It could be a number of different things. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the Easy Drone reeds in that I've been using, and I want you to hear the difference now. Now I have the Easy Drone reeds in here now. Let's have a listen. Those are pretty steady right off the bat. You saw me doing this right pretty fast. I didn't have to wait very long for them to actually give a good stable sound. With the Easy Drone reeds compared to the other reeds, these ones actually do sound better and more stable once you've given them a bit of warm-up time. 3 to 5 minutes, even just a couple minutes more, and then they're really rock solid. They stay in tune, they're really good. With the gurgling that you're hearing in this, it means that they're a little bit on the cold side, so once they have been given a few minutes to warm up, then that gurgling will go down, or even be eliminated altogether, but probably just go down. If for your own pipes, if you find that the gurgling happens frequently when you lessen off on the blowing pressure, you just want to move the bridle down towards the end of the reed so that the tongue of the reed does not take as much air through it, and that will bring down or get rid of the gurgling on the reed. So that was the difference between brown and white MG reeds with the carbon fiber tongues and without. The white ones being with the carbon fiber tongues, and the Easy Drone reeds that I have in the pipes right now. So that's what the 3 different drone reeds sound like. Let me know which one you like better in the comments. It doesn't really matter to me which one is better as long as they work. And in my pipes, the Easy Drones work better than the MG reeds do. In your pipes, if you try them out, it might be that the ones with the carbon fiber tongues, the white ones, actually work better than the brown ones. And Easy Drone reeds may not even work in your pipes. It really depends on your specific setup of pipes. So I hope that you enjoyed today's video, you found it helpful. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great one.